This lesson we will discuss determinant of matrices. So the question is, find the determinant of the following matrices. Before going to start, I will explain to you that we use this symbol for matrix, and for determinant we will use these two straight lines, and we will write down our entries or elements here. So the question is, we have to find out the determinant, and this is the matrix. So first of all, we will write down this matrix in the form of determinant. So determinant of A represents like this. This is the determinant of A, or we can write down determinant of A. Both are same. Here we will write down the entries which we have, but in these two straight lines. So how we will solve it? How we will find out the determinant? Very easy. You have to multiply this diagonal entries, this one first. -1 multiplied by 0. This is 1. And then you have to use the negative sign, and then we have to multiply 1 multiplied by 2 like this. So it will be 0, -2, right? So determinant of A is equal to -2. This question, determinant of B, this is B. Whatever letter, suppose if it is here X, Y, Z, S, T, so we will use the same letter. So here is determinant of B is equal to, first we will write down these elements in the form of determinant between these two straight lines, and then you have to multiply, cross multiply this one. 1 multiplied by -2, this is 1. Here you have to use the negative symbol, and then we have to multiply 3 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 6. -2, -6, which is equal to -8. So determinant of B is equal to -8. This is the answer. So simple. One more question, right? Determinant of C. So determinant of C is equal to, or C, first we will write down 3, 3, 2, 2. And then like this, you have to multiply this, 3 multiplied by 2, -2 multiplied by 3. Always keep in mind, we have to use the negative sign. So it is 6 minus 6, which is equal to 0. Determinant of D, same thing. First you have to write down like this, then cross multiply, 3 multiplied by 4, then we have to use negative sign, 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 12 minus 2 equal to 10. So determinant of D is equal to 10. Next question is, find which of the following matrices are singular or non-singular. See, which are singular or non-singular. This is matrix. First of all, we will find out the determinant of A. And if the answer of the determinant of A is equal to 0, it means it is singular. If it is non-zero, it is called non-singular. See here in the previous example, determinant of C is equal to 0. If the answer comes 0, it means this is singular, and if the answer is not 0, it is non-singular, right? So here we will prove it. So what is the method? Same thing. Determinant of A, how we will write down in two straight lines, and then you have to multiply 3 multiplied by 4, these entries first, then we have to use negative sign, and then these two entries, 6 multiplied by 2. So 3, this is 12 minus 12, which is equal to 0. So determinant of A is equal to a singular. This is the singular matrix. A matrix is said to be a singular if the determinant of that matrix is equal to 0, right? If the answer is not 0, it means it is non-singular. So we will see B. What about B? 4, 1, 3, 2, right? Here I am doing in detail, but when we will solve more complex question, I will do this step directly. How I will do it? See, 4, here 4, 2 times 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So direct you can also do, it is 8 minus 3, but you have to do step by step because in exam the step also counts. So determinant of b is equal to 5, which is non-singular, right? C, determinant of this is equal to 7, 5, negative 9, 3. So how we will do it? 7 multiplied by 5, this is 1, minus, and see here is another minus, so it will be plus. Whenever you will see minus, you have to pay more attention. 35 plus 9 3 times 27, so it is equal to 7 plus 5, 12, and then 62. So this is also non-singular matrix because its answer is not 0. Move on to D, 5, negative 2, this and this. So 5 multiplied by 4, and then you have to use negative sign, but there are two other negative as well, minus 10 and minus 2. So it is 5 4 times 20. This is minus and minus plus, 10 2 times 20, but this minus makes it negative as well, which is equal to 0. So determinant of D is equal to 0. It means this is the singular matrix. If the matrix is said to be a singular matrix if the determinant of that matrix is equal to 0, and if it is not 0, it is called the non-singular, right? But still, if you have any question, please write down in comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.